Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, triple Q gapping up, so does Amazon, Nvidia and Tesla. Tesla struggling to stay above yesterday's closing price, but Nvidia and Amazon clearly on an uptrend. The market looks choppy, not sure which direction it wants to go. So I'll wait until market open to see how the stocks react and then I'll define my trades based on that. We do have around 7 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Trading around this area constantly, but I think it will break out. I'll wait for this candle to close. Super strong. No reason to short. Getting in at 3. Stop would be high of 277. Doesn't look good. Took it out. $130 loser. I'll take it. I got into my first trade because of this upper wick. I expected the stock to come back to the EMA and bounce, but it did not happen. I'm glad I took it out. $460 I got in. Selling 2 at 465. I'm just holding 2. Not panicking. Now I can add at this level and my final add would be around 275. Just holding 2 contracts now, not a big position. Can it make a new high? The first final candle to make a new high. Not selling. I think it has the potential for a breakout. Getting out. Now just $18 loser. That was a perfect trade. On my first trade, had I held on to my position, I would have ended up with a big loser. Super happy on how I traded it. Flipping to the put side. Getting in. 365. Mount. So I'm green on the day. Tesla is hesitating to drop, but Amazon and Nvidia flushing. I may not take Tesla to the put side because super risky. Almost 32 minutes into the day. I'm up by 63 cents. Definitely a scratch day for me. I was initially down, I think $120. I made it back plus a few cents. The markets have really slowed down. I don't think we have a clear direction now. So it's better to stop rather than force trade. So I'll call it a day. Overall, a scratch day of trading, but super happy to be green after being red on the day. That would be it. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.